Hello again. As I wrote on the comments, I updated my team, and I think it's now a really good team. But look yourself, I will start it now. Ultimate team. So this time I can show you more coins than last times. I got 54,000 coins and a little bit more matches to show you. And as you see, my chemistry is nearly the same, and my overall rating is still has grown up 1 point. 84 was on my last team. The story of my new team is I bought 4,200 points and bought some premium gold packages, and I was lucky because I got Vucinic with 87. That means he is the higher rated version. Twice, I got him twice, and I got Taiwo 87. He is left back, and he's a higher rated version. Then I bought Microsoft points again, and I got these good players. Just watch. So my manager is still Frank Rijkaard 442, and I will go slowly on the right side to show you what is my striker team. I got now Didier Drogba. Then I still got Samuel Eto'o. Frank Ribery, I won't sell him. I won't trade him. He's my favorite player, one of my favorite players. Then I got Xavi Hernandez. I bought him for around 40,000 coins. His partner is Francesc Fabregas. Then on the right side is still Mauro Camoranesi, because there is no better right midfield on the internet than Camoranesi. So now let's see my defense. That is Taiwo 87, higher rated version. I'm proud of him. I won't sell him. Then I got Kolo Touré 86. I got him in the gold pack. Then still Frank Rost, and then I got Chiellini. He was in the premium gold package. And on the right side I got Javier Zanetti. So you can see the team now. I think it's really good. Drogba, Eto'o, Ribery, Xavi, Fabregas, Camoranesi, Taiwo, Kolo Touré, Frank Rost, Chiellini, Zanetti. Chemistry is 80. So now let's have a look on my bank. Still Miguel. Then I got Eric Abidal, Klose, Michel Bastos. He's out for trading, so if you want to trade him, please let me know, but don't offer me players like, I don't know, like shit. So I won't use him. I got him in package. I won't use him. He's worthless to me, but I know what he is worth online. Then I got Quaresma. I don't know if I am trading him, but first of all I have to rebuild my team again. Still Zambrotta, Maxi Rodriguez, still Bruno Alves, still Olic, still Gamberini, and this is another good card I got, Alessandro Del Piero 89. As you can see, I put him from central striker, I don't know the exact word in English, to striker, so he's worth more money. I made him 89 contract, as you can see here. Then I put him on 4-4-2. On 4-4-2. So I know he's not that worth online, but for I don't know why, because he's a great player. And okay, maybe it's because he's old to play football, but 89 is a good striker, I think. My whole team has now many contract cards. I can show it to you. I got around 200 contract cards with overall rating 90, so plus 28. So Drogba has 77, 86, 78, 58, 82, 44, 79, 71, 37, 49, 54, and 87. So I hope you enjoyed my new video. That this is my new team. I want to buy Anelka, but I'm not sure how I can make this. Anelka is worth around 25,000 coins. It's not much for me now, but I want to be careful with my coins. I had 150,000 coins after I bought packages, and I bought Didier Drogba for 40,000 coins. He was the cheapest one. He has got 442, as you can see here, and contract was around 50, and I changed it to 77, 40,000 coins. Xavi was 40,000 coins, and Fabregas also was 40,000 coins. All 442, as you can see here, 442. So best possible chemistry with all that players. I'm sure if I put Anelka on this position and Drogba on this position, I will have good chemistry, because Anelka is a French guy, and he will perfectly stay with Franck Ribéry. I don't know what to do with Eto'o, but I'm nearly sure I won't trade him, so please do not write anything about him that you want to trade him. I'm really sure I won't trade him, and if I want to trade him, I'll let you know. So thank you very much for watching. Write comments and have a good day.